All right, 2015 GMC Sierra, which this will cover a wide range of these trucks, but Mr. Russell has a brake light out. So we are going to change it real quick. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I will have a link up here in the video and in the description below for the 7443 bulbs required to change out the tail lights. I will also have the reverse light bulbs linked as well if you're after that, but it is pretty straightforward to get to. Step number one is you're going to need a T15 Torx bit. You have a screw here and a screw here. We're going to take both of these screws out. Okay, once those screws are out, we're going to grab a hold of the light. We are going to pull rearward on the vehicle. There are two little clicking prongs that hold it into the bed here, and those have to be kind of popped to get it to come free. Basically just grab the light, pull forward, just hope you don't break them. Just like that there. All right, once you get the tabs pulled free from the holes, then whichever bulb you are after, you literally just grab these tabs here, twist it counterclockwise like so, it wasn't so gummy, then work it out. Do believe that's our burnt one, but let me call him and ask. I don't have anybody to hit the brake pedal for me right now. Clayton came over and hit the brake pedal for me. Turns out they're both fine. It's actually that one up there we're gonna have to change. So in the case of these though, if you need to change them, all you do is grab the bulb and pull it out and then push your new one in, and then you're good to put it back in and twist. It might be a little gummed up whenever you go to pull it, but she'll be all right. All right, here we are reinstalled. So all you do is the opposite of what we did, take it apart. You just line it up, click it in, then press it in, line up your screws and tighten them down. Woo! Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If the video helped you out, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more.